Giraffes, the tallest land animals on Earth, are fascinating for their unique features. Standing up to 18 feet tall, these gentle giants have amazingly long necks with 7 vertebrae, just like humans. Their mottled coat, similar to human fingerprints, remains unchanged throughout life. Remarkably, giraffes only need 30 minutes of sleep per day, often in short naps. Despite their size, they maintain a graceful gait with longer legs than most humans. Sadly, these iconic creatures face threats such as habitat loss and poaching, underscoring the importance of conservation efforts to protect these magnificent animals for future generations to appreciate.